Dear Santa, I hope you got my Christmas list. I hope to get everything on my Christmas list because I've been a very nice girl this year. Cause I want is an OMG doll and LOL dolls. I want to get the whole collectors, even the mini brand surprise. So I'm gonna love it and be happy. And also I want is some squishies so I can squish on, and I want another unicorn one. Oh, I know one last thing. I want is a big LOL dollhouse. It's gonna be so big I may get it soon. Love, Mariah.
Guys, happy Tuesday. I was about to say Monday, but I did just want to come on here and just show you guys I did go ahead and organize my little pantry a little bit more. I added a little bit more knickknacks, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys so you guys can see what I've done. And I already showed y'all like the chip basket. It's like full to the capacity. But I have like cookies and cakes, crackers. This was the last one, so I just tossed that in there. And then like she have her snacks and stuff here. So I did have the cereal up top, but Mariah wasn't able to reach it. So I did just make this row the top, this row right here cereal, because Mariah are able to come in. And I'm on this call too, y'all, so I'm trying to record. I'll be doing these business classes that I'm taking, so I'm on that as well, listening. Yeah, so I did like, I still gotta find what I want to do with like candy. These are like my protein shakes and workout, and matcha green tea, matcha powder, whatever. And so yeah, so I did the cereal here, so Mariah able to reach it. And what else? Oh yeah, so I do got my pancake mix, noodles, grits, and my pumpkin bread. And I'll change this throughout because I like pumpkin bread and banana bread, so I'll just change that throughout. And I got my, you know, oatmeal and rice in this. And I also did the powdered sugar and brown sugar. I put them in these containers. These are some glass containers right there. So yeah, you guys, it's coming along. I don't know like what I'm gonna do with this right here and those. I just don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I like, you know, the organization that's coming along so far. So I did like open, I got like another pack of water, and I got some in the fridge, so I just put that right there. But I don't know, like I feel like I want to get like more of these little things right here and put like ketchup, mustard, and do one for syrup, or I might get another syrup container, and yeah, another container for like these, which would be smaller, that'll help. And you know, a little bit more containers. I don't know, y'all, what y'all think? But see, like I didn't use all of this, and I've been looking at the dates, so, and throwing away a lot. But I want to get something to put the cookies in, these cookies, because I did put some cookies. I put like Mariah favorite cookies in here. I did just have the animal cookie, but she insisted that I just put these little strawberry cookies in there, so I did that. And I told her she gonna have to not be making crumbs, because yeah. But anyway, we did the cookies in this little glass jar that I've been had. I also did get a container for my coffee. Yeah, just to keep them in there so I can have my coffee. And I was thinking about labeling my meal, sugar, and my air fryer. What is this? It's like an air fryer meal type thing, and like my seafood boil sauce right here. I might just pull them out and just put them in there because they like the same thing. That's what I might do, y'all. So y'all can watch me do this. I think I'm gonna do this. It's like the same thing. Coffee, crab oil, same thing. So I can just put this in here. Pretty much it'll be the same thing, so I just did that like that so I can know. So seafood boil, my air fryer, mix, sugar, and meal. I did the stuff that has like, if we go through cereal, Mariah ain't gonna eat all these before time, but I did put the expiration date on the bottom so I'll know when things are going bad. So I like put the expiration date and the measurements and stuff at the bottom of it so I'll know what's what. But yeah, you guys, pantry coming along. Staying organized is key to everything, so I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that. Bye. What's up, you guys? It is the same vlog from earlier that I picked up the camera, but y'all can barely see me. Y'all know it's like the time has changed, so it's like 6:03, but it's dark outside literally. And I'm headed to Walmart, and the reason why I'm headed to Walmart is to sell another wig. And y'all, I told y'all these wigs be going quick, so I'm literally about to pull up in literally 1 minute, and I'm meeting this girl to sell this wig, and we're meeting at the Walmart shopping center in a public area to make this wig transaction. So yeah, it is. Oh, did I have something on my hand? So I got the wig. It is a 22-inch what is it, 22-inch loose wave. I did post it. I posted it on my Instagram, and like I said, regardless of what, I get more sales from Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, she reached out from Facebook Marketplace, and actually several people have reached out about the wig. One girl actually said she wanted to get it tomorrow, but it's too late. Someone else is already inquiring about it. So yeah, I gotta be real careful. Where can I park? Should I go in Chick-fil-A? I think I should go in Chick-fil-A instead of Walmart, because it ain't nowhere to I need some light. Oh lady, where you going? She's literally running. She's trying to find her car for some. And these people at the Walmart is ghetto. I need somewhere with some cameras at. So I'm gonna be right over here with this camera at right here. Camera? Right here.
That big one?
Right here. By the cameras right here. So I'm gonna tell her to come right on now. It is like police is around and stuff. I see one right there. I'm finna write her and tell her I'm over here by this what is it called? The live view. Tell her right nickety down. She literally caught me because I was literally about to be like, you know, we'll have to wait till tomorrow. But after looking at her profile and everything like that, she looked legit. Everything looked squared away. Luckily, y'all, I haven't had any issues. She told me to keep it back. I'm hoping that it's easy. Let me call her, because I ain't finna be waiting over here. Everybody look the same. Alright. Is this on? Oh, this is her. Hey.
Hi.
Girl, you know you gotta be skeptical when you meet folks around here. I'm like, dang, everybody, but you can look at it.
Thank you. Yeah, make sure I count right.
It's just up in the little net, but it's style, look, and all. Well, it's the same wig on the picture. It's the exact same one.
I'm gonna check it.
It's okay.
Yeah, thank
all right, you're welcome. So that was a success. Always a success. She was sweet. That was nice. She was nice, and she looked scared with that little wig, that hair, that hoodie.
No, she looks good. Big old eyelashes.
All right, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all that.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm